Hey everyone, and today I'm going to be telling you some tips and tricks on how to use Mechaman in Hero x Hero VR, and I'm going to put some timelines in the description for certain parts of the video, like flying, using the ultimate ability, how to defeat bosses, and the best way to level up like almost any character, like Beast. Not sure on Spider-Man, so I'll make separate videos as soon as I get the Spider-Man. I'll make separate videos on how to, best ways to upgrade and use the abilities. So, let's dive right into it. Alright, first things first, if you are doing the video, everything correctly, and it's not working, it's probably because you don't have all the upgrades, or certain upgrades that you want to do. Like, if you want to be able to fly, you're going to need the jet tri-shot, which makes it so you can pick it up and fly. And the ultimate ability is the rocket barrage. So if you do not have these, then this video will not work for you. Alright, so now we're going to be moving on to flying. Alright, first things first, you're going to need your Mechaman, and you're just going to transform it. Alright, so, as you can see on the right, there's going to be this meter that goes up as soon as you transform it into your Mechaman. That is going to be how much you can fly for. So first things first, you're going to need to hold down your middle finger triggers, so you're pointing, and then you're going to need to hold down your pointer finger triggers. Alright, so then you're going to hold down your pointer fingers, and it's going to lift you up. And if you want to know, I'm just falling, that's not flying, so just hold down your middle finger triggers, and it will make you boost. And as you can see, since it's run out, it's going to stop making me fly. So the thing is, the one thing you're going to do is, you're just going to get on some solid ground, and then it's going to recharge. Because you can't just stay in the air forever. Then you're just going to get it back up here if you want. Just fly around. And also, if you touch any object with your hand when you're flying, like a wall, then it's going to stop you from. Alright, so now we're going to be moving on to the ultimate ability. Alright, so we're going to be using the ultimate ability on this boss right here. So, a good way to start off in the air. Give him a couple of so he'll be like aggravated with you. And now, you're going to put your hands together and hold all the triggers at once. Should do a bunch of damage on him. And it doesn't use any of your stamina when you do And now for the best way to get XP for anything, but it's pretty good for Mechaman. So, if you see where that is right above where one of the best places to get XP is. So you can, I'm just on that building, so you can just jump down, and you'll see these little mouse things that they call, I think, white hands. So you can just climb, and they literally cannot hands are. Just collect coins because I like them, and I have too many of them. Alright. Now, I like to usually save my ultimate for the reds because they have the most health, more than the white hands, and they do different attacks. So, just fly above and your ultimate probably won't one-shot him, but mine will because I'm level 23. And usually the red ones give you around maybe 500 XP. Let me just double check. yes, my theory is correct. It gives you around 500 XP each red guy. And I'm just gonna get to level 24 real quick, don't mind me. Alright, there we go. Just let me escape from that guy real quick. And that were my tips and tricks for Hero x Hero. If you want a part 2 for the Spider-Man or the Werebeast, just comment down below. And if my comments are turned off, it's because I'm too lazy to try to add them. So, peace. I think it won't go up. Peace.